What's up, team? It's Robbmac from M3 Beats, and today let's talk about key fobs.
Robbmac.
When I bought my 2015 BMW 335, it had almost every option that I wanted and was in near mint condition. It did, however, have a couple of minor cosmetic defects. Number one, the BMW roundel on the hood was glued on crooked. Number two, there was a rip in the armrest, the center armrest in between the front passenger and the driver's side seat. Still there to this day. It was very minor. I plan to do a DIY on replacing it, but I've been kind of going back and forth on whether or not I wanted to do an upgrade to leather or Alcantara. The other problem, and the final problem, and the most hideous thing that was wrong with the car when I bought it, was these damn keys were awful. They looked like a dog had chewed them up. So I had two keys that came with the car, thankfully, but both of them were just in really bad looking shape. For as good as the car looked, the keys just looked bad. When I was still in a relationship with the dealer, I inquired about getting a new key fob, and I got quoted a price of something like $500. I remember thinking to myself, that was kind of pricey for something that was gonna stay in my pocket and nobody was ever gonna see, and the rest is history. I've been walking around with this pretty bum looking key in my pocket the entire time. Fast forward 2 years to the COVID-19 pandemic, and I had a lot more time to do research, and I started looking into keys again. That's when I found a company called Gates Innovation on Instagram, and looking at some of their posts, I noticed that they did an F30 key modification service. They can turn your plastic key fob into one of the new metal key fobs that come with the newer BMWs, and it still works on your BMW F30. I thought that was cool. Mine was blown. I thought they looked really slick, and so I reached out and contacted George over at Gates Innovation. George let me know about an additional upgrade where they can do an all-black X5M key that would go perfect with my car. And the cherry on top is that that key would also be paint matched to my exact color code, which is black sapphire metallic. About a week or so goes by and I get my key fob back in the mail, and I'm getting ready to unbox it for the first time right now. Thanks for watching the video. Please consider hitting the like button and subscribing, and follow me and my build on Instagram at M3 Beats. Peace.